Polymarket is a prediction market platform that uses USDC on the Polygon network for deposits. Binance users can transfer funds from their exchange wallet to Polymarket by withdrawing USDC or USDT over the Polygon network. This tutorial outlines the steps, what the process does. Depositing funds into Polymarket involves withdrawing cryptocurrency from Binance and sending it to a deposit address provided by the transfer uses the Polygon blockchain, which offers fast and low-cost transactions. Step 1. Generate a deposit address on Polymarket. First, log into your Polymarket account. On the main dashboard, find and click the deposit button. Choose Transfer Crypto as the deposit method. Select USDC as the token, as Polymarket uses USDC for deposits. Next, choose the Polygon network as the blockchain. Polymarket will generate a unique deposit address. Copy this address carefully and verify it is correct before proceeding. Step 2. Withdraw funds from Binance. Open the Binance app or website, go to your wallet section, and tap Withdraw. Select USDC as the asset. Alternatively, you can use USDT as Polymarket will automatically convert it to USDC. Paste the deposit address you copied from Polymarket into the recipient address field. Very importantly, manually select the Polygon network on Binance. This must match the network you chose on Polygon. Enter the amount you want to send. Review all details carefully, including the address, network, and amount. Confirm the withdrawal and complete any security verification steps required by Binance, such as two-factor authentication or email confirmation. Step 3. Wait for confirmation. After the withdrawal is processed on Binance, the transaction will be broadcast to the Polygon blockchain. The funds will appear in your Polymarket account once the blockchain confirms the transaction. This usually takes a few minutes, but may take longer depending on network traffic and congestion.